Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna draw SpongeBob. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my welcome tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. I'm gonna draw the nose first, so I'm gonna pick a point here and draw a line to the left. And then I'm gonna make a semicircle for the tip of the nose. So I'm gonna pick a point here like that, and then semicircle and turn back in like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw the tip of the mouth from the middle point below the nose. I'm gonna draw a short line and make a sharp point like that, and make a line to the right like that. Then I'm gonna draw a short line where the mouth end like that, and then I'm gonna go and draw the two teeth that he have just below the nose. At this point, I'm gonna draw a square shape tooth like that. And then the other one. Like that. And then on top of the mouth, on the right side, I'm gonna draw his cheek, and here I'm gonna draw a semicircle upwards like that. Then I'm gonna draw 3 dots for his freckles, bigger maybe, and the other one like that. I'm just gonna complete his mouth, and I'm gonna start from this point going downwards. I'm gonna draw a line downwards like that, and go outwards and curve it. Then I'm gonna draw it upwards towards the teeth. And below his mouth, I'm gonna draw a curved line where the lips, lower lips is. Like that. And then for his tongue, I'm gonna draw 2 curved lines. Number 1 and number 2. So I'm gonna draw his eyes now. So for his eyes, it's a slight oval shape. So I'm gonna draw from this point, from his cheek. It's a bit tilted, so I'm gonna draw a circle at this point here, like that. And then for the other eye, like that. Oop. I'm gonna redraw that. Okay. So inside of those 2 eyes, I'm gonna draw 2 ovals, and then another one inside, a black one. I'm gonna go draw a shine inside the eye, so I'm gonna draw a circle there, and then I'm gonna repeat that for the left eye. For the face shape, I'm gonna draw some wavy lines. Oh, before that, I'm gonna draw his eyelashes. So we're gonna draw 3 short lines, but thick lines, like that. Repeat that for the other one. So for the face shape, I'm gonna start from the left corner, the left top corner of his face here. I'm gonna draw some curvy line to the left. From this point, we're gonna draw a wavy line. Are we ready? So I'm gonna start drawing from this point here, going to the right. So curvy line. And stop there. And then I'm gonna go downwards. Stop there. And then I'm gonna go back from where the point I start on the left side. I'm gonna draw a line, that wavy line downwards. That I'm gonna try to connect those 2 points with a wavy line. That, and we're gonna do the same thing to the side of his head. This time it's a bit shorter, like that, and another one downwards. So we're not gonna continue all the way down, because SpongeBob has his hands there. So I'm gonna draw his sleeves. So we're gonna draw something like that, curve on top, and then another short line downwards, and at the bottom we're gonna draw a curved line to connect those 2 points. Below his chin, I'm gonna draw his collar and his tie. And from the off center on the left, I'm gonna draw a line downwards, and then another one to the right. Repeat that for the right collar. Like that. For the tie, I'm gonna draw a semicircle downwards, and then the tie itself, like that. I think I'm gonna finish the right arm first. So I'm gonna draw a line downward like that. Another line on this side. And for his hands, I'm gonna draw his thumbs first. So from this point here, I'm gonna draw a curved line, series of curved lines, and then turn back in. Fingers, repeat that. Turn back in. Second finger, and last finger, and end at that point there. I'm gonna draw a wavy line to the hands, and then for his square body, we're gonna draw 3 lines downwards from 3 points over here, here, and here. So I'm gonna draw the first line downwards from the left side, slightly towards the right. So I'm gonna draw like that. The other one from this point, like that. And then the leftmost point, like that. I'm gonna connect those 3 lines like that. In the middle point here, I'm gonna draw a line across as well. And also on this side. For his belt, I'm gonna draw a dash line from here. And for the left hand, I'm gonna just draw his sleeve like that, and then repeat the right hand below that. Make sure the hands have a small similar size. Now I'm going to draw below that square that we done earlier, and draw a line downwards and a curved line, a line downwards, a curved line, and another line downwards, and the same goes to the left on the right side. And then his legs, we'll draw 2 lines downwards, that. And then his right legs to line downwards as well. And for his shoes, I'm gonna draw a short line to the front like that, and a semicircle in front of the shoes like that. Go to the back, to the heels. Heels like that. I'm gonna add a circle in front of the shoe like that. I'm gonna repeat that for the right shoes. Oh, for his head, I'm gonna draw a few circles for the spongy details. I'm gonna draw some circles on his face first. On his right side here, I'm gonna draw one circle. It's more of an oval actually. So I'm gonna draw another one on the left side, and then another one below that one, and here as well. Another one, big one on this side here. And some more at the sides. And we're done. And that's it for our tutorial today, and I hope you guys find it helpful and enjoy my tutorial, and hope to see you guys soon. Oh, before that, make sure you like and subscribe onto my channel for the future videos, and probably comment down below for any requests or suggestions. That's all for now. See you guys soon. Bye.